Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's myself. My name is Muhammad Ridho Arantaripanza. My student number is 200500074. I'm from Adi Sucipto Aerospace Technology Institute in Yogyakarta. This is occasion I will share about Amm and Task Card as a segment of English Technique 1. Okay, this is Amm or Aircraft Maintenance Manual, the formal document which details the way in which all maintenance tasks carried out on an aircraft shall be completed. This includes items such as lubrication system functional, check and servicing of the airplane, but usually exclude structural repair and modification. Okay, next, AMM is document that describe the procedure step by step performed in aircraft maintenance. But in this MM we cannot change the content because it has become a reference or factory standard. Task card. Task card is a standard procedure of work that must be done by engineer in aircraft maintenance. Each type of aircraft is accompanied by a basic task card made by the vendor, and in the task card we can change it by adding the procedure for the work but cannot reduce it. Okay. Content of task card. This is a type of aircraft. This aircraft card number, this title, and this aircraft type card number. Another example of task card. Task description. To do this. Okay, thank you for your information and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.